Start. The petition filed by the CBI was disposed of by the Supreme Court by order dated 13/12/2000, and from that order it appears that when the petition was taken up, a dispute was raised on behalf of some of the accused, at least in respect of the number of cases suggested by the CBI as having stood transferred to Jharkhand Stop. It will be useful to reproduce here portions of the order of the Supreme Court insofar as relevant for the present stanza. It was the stand of the CBI that out of 61 cases registered by the CBI, so far 52 cases stood transferred under section 89 bracket 1 stop. Mr. B.B. Singh, learned counsel appearing for Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav, submitted that the said figure is not correct at all. Stop. We do not think it necessary to decide that dispute, for section 89 bracket 2 provides a machinery to decide whenever any question arises as to whether any proceeding should stand transferred under subsection bracket 1 or not. Stop. We leave that dispute to be determined in accordance with the subsection stanza. An apprehension is expressed by Mr. Kapil Sibal, learned senior counsel appearing for the respondents, that cases which have not really been transferred in accordance with section 89 bracket 1 might as well figure in the list as having been transferred. Stop. To alleviate the said apprehension, Mr. Harish Salve, learned Solicitor General, submitted that a list has already been prepared showing the cases which are falling within the ambit of section 89 bracket 1 of the Act, and a copy of the said list will be supplied to Mr. Chitranjan Singh, advocate, who is present today. Stanza. Following the order passed by the Supreme Court, the DIG of Police CBI Patna Region, Patna, addressed a letter dated 30/11/2000 to the Registrar General of this court, practically asking him to have the records of the 52 cases, a list of which was appended to the letter pending before the designated court at Patna, transferred to the court of existing special judge CBI cases Ranchi as stop-gap arrangement till the creation of designated courts at Ranchi for the exclusive trial of AHD cases. Stop. A list of the 52 cases which, according to the CBI, stand transferred to the courts located in Stop. The state of Jharkhand was also handed over to Shri C.R. Sinha, advocate for one of the accused in those cases, along with the letter of the SP CBI bracket AHD Patna dated 14/12/2000. Stop. Shri Sinha, by his letter dated 18/12/2000, addressed to the Registrar General of this court, disputed the stand of the CBI and stated that in the light of the charge sheets, no case of the AHD scam was exclusively triable in Jharkhand, and no case was therefore required to be transferred to that state. Stanza. The matter came up for consideration before the Standing Committee of the High Court on 5/1/2001. Stop. It has evident to the Standing Committee that a dispute had arisen on the issue whether or not the 52 cases mentioned in the list appended to the letter of the DIG CBI dated 30/11/2000 were covered by section 89 bracket 1 of the Act, and therefore stood transferred by operation of law to the state of Jharkhand. Stop. The way to resolve such a dispute was provided in subsection bracket 2 of section 89, and this fact was also clearly noticed by the Supreme Court in its order dated 13/12/2000. Stop. The Standing Committee therefore resolved to refer the matter for a decision to the judicial side of the court. Stop. This gave rise to the proceeding registered in the court's office as criminal reference number 01/2001, which was taken up when the full bench assembled for the first time on 12/1/2001. Stop. On that date, the full bench was informed that the issue under reference was also under consideration by Special Judge (CBI) AHD Patna, and the hearing before the trial court was likely to conclude shortly. Stop. On that date, the full bench directed for issuance of notice to the parties concerned and adjourned the hearing, allowing time to the parties to file paper, books, etc. over.